Yes, start. A new ray of hope has been spread amongst the youth with the assuming of office of Ministry of Labour by the Honorable Minister Sri Ram Vilas Paswan Stowe. I would therefore like to draw his kind attention to the problems and suffering of the people of my constituency Stowe. Many big industries have been closed down in Bihar Stowe. More than 5,000 unemployed people have been waiting for years so as to get some work Stowe. The gravity of the situation can be judged from the fact that dozens of youths have committed suicide during the last 5 years there Stowe. I had an opportunity of visiting that place recently Stowe. The mothers and sisters in the families of such persons are compelled to indulge in flesh trade in order to pacify their hunger for food store. All this is happening there only due to the wrong policies adopted in the past store. 18 big industries and approximately 15,000 small and medium scale industries are laying closed in Bihar store. More than 25,000 other industries are on the verge of closure, and the labor force thereof has either been rendered unemployed or is on the verge of being rendered jobless. So far as the rural labor force, particularly in Bihar, is concerned, the National Rural Employment Program and Jawahar Rojgar Yojana were implemented, but there is a widespread talk about these programs in the villages of Bihar that earlier the landlords exploited the people in the villages, but another class of landlords is rising in the shape of bureaucracy that consists of overseers, block development officers, and engineers who are collectively looting the power poor laborers now store. If there is an earthwork scheme of rupees 1 lakh for which the laborers are to be paid an amount of rupees 172 per laborer, you will be surprised to know store.